day everyone. Ang quick topic natin ngayon ay Measuring Computer Performance, Benchmark, and Matrix. So ano nga ba itong dalawang ito? So sabi dito, benchmarks, ito yung mga test or tools na tumatakbo sa computer mo para masukat ang performance. Kumbaga, parang ito yung exam ng computer mo. Then sa metrics naman, ito naman yung score numbers or resulta na lumalabas pagkatapos ng benchmark. Kumbaga, ito na yung grades ng computer. So sa madaling salita, ang benchmark ay ang test at ang metrics naman ay ang scores. Okay. So, para mas maliwanagan kayo, para saan nga ba itong dalawang to and ano nga ba yung purpose nila? So, ginagamit ito para malaman kung gaano kabilis ang computer mo. Also, kung kaya ba niya ang gaming, video editing, or coding. Also, para ma-compare ang performance ng mga computer, CPU and GPU. And the last one is kung may bottleneck or mabagal na part sa system. What are the computer performance benchmark? So meron tatlo dito, which is yung standardized test, measure capabilities, and enable comparison. So mag-start tayo sa standardized test. Benchmarks are standardized tests designed to simulate real-world or synthetic workloads, providing a consistent measuring environment. Measuring capabilities. They are quantify the capabilities of various hardware and software components, including CPU speed, graphics processing, memory, and storage performance. Enable comparison. These measurements allow objective apples to apples comparison across different systems and individual components, guiding informed decisions. The stakes behind the scores, guide purchases, and updates. They provide data driven insights to help individuals and organizations to make informed decisions when purchasing new hardware or planning system upgrades. Validate performance. They validate whether advertised performance claims align with actual results and ensure software compatibility from real-world usability. Identify bottlenecks. Benchmarks help pinpoint performance bottlenecks within a system, enabling targeted optimization efforts for improved efficiency. Synthetic versus real-world tests. Synthetic benchmarks. These tests push hardware to its theoretical limits within simulated intensive workloads. They stress individual components like CPU and GPU, rendering capabilities to measure maximum potential performance. CPU stress test, GPU rendering simulations, memory bandwidth test. Dito tayo sa real-world benchmarks. Real-world benchmarks use actual applications or common tasks to evaluate performance typical usage scenarios. This provides more practical understanding of systems capabilities. Andito yung gaming frame rate test. Kung nanonood kayo ng YouTube, yung mga content creator na nagtetest ng cellphone or ng isang laptop or computer. Next is yung video editing export times and 3D modeling rendering speeds. CPU focus. Meron tayo ditong clock speed or gigahertz. Measures the numbers of cycles of CPU can execute per second. Generally, a higher clock speed indicates faster processing. Next is yung cores and threads. Indicates the CPU ability to handle multiple tasks simultaneously, crucial for multitasking and parallel processing. Next is yung single versus multi-core. Different applications benefit from either superior single-core performance or robust multi-core capabilities. And, ang last natin is yung cache size. Fast on-chip memory that stores frequently accessed data significantly, boosting data access speed and overall CPU efficiency. GPU, RAM, and storage. GPU, or Graphics Processing Unit. CUDA Core stream processors parallel processing units, VRAM size, dedicated video memory for complex graphics, clock speed, speed with at which GPU cores operate, memory bandwidth, rate which data can be written from VRAM. Next is RAM or random access memory. Capacity, amount of data it could hold for active processes. Speed, how quickly data can be accessed by CPU. Latency, delay before data transfer begins. Channel configuration, dual channel or quad channel for increased bandwidth. Next is yung storage. Merong dalawa, which is solid state drive and hard disk drive. Read-write speed, how fast data can be retrieved or saved. Random access time, speed of locating non-sequential data. Capacity, total storage available. And impact on load times affects operating system and application startup. Why do they really tell us? Beyond raw numbers. Focus on overall system balance. A powerful CPU paired with slow storage can still create a significant bottleneck, impacting overall speed. Context is key. A benchmark scores for gaming might not be relevant for video editing. Match the benchmark overload with your primary use for accurate interpretation. Identify bottlenecks. Use benchmark results to identify which components are limiting your system's performance and prioritize upgrades accordingly. Industry standard benchmark suits an organization. Spec focuses on CPU and JVM performance using real-world application workloads across various disciplines. EMBC specializes embedded system benchmarks or microprocessors and compiler in various IoT device. Passmark offers comprehensive CPU charts comparing a wide range of processors from Intel, AMD, Apple, and Qualcomm. And the last is UL benchmark. Provide enterprise PC performance testing, including real-world simulations of office productivity tasks. How benchmark shape decisions. IT procurement. IT departments leverage a benchmark to standardize PC purchases, ensuring an optimal balance between cost and performance for organization needs. Content creators. Professional in video editing and 3D rendering use benchmarks to select hardware that significantly reduces rendering times, saving valuable hours of work. Gaming enthusiasts. Gamers rely on GPU benchmarks to select graphic cards that guarantee smooth gameplay and high frame rates for immersive experience. Business optimization. Business utilize benchmark data to optimize software and hardware configurations, ensuring compliance with service level agrees and maintaining high productivity. Benchmarking empowers smarter computing choices. Benchmarks are indispensable tools that translate complex technical specifications into actionable insights. They empower you to make smarter, more informed decisions about your technology. And that's all. Thank you.